Hi there, my name is Ian Lamont. I am the publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides, and today I'm going to be talking about how to export a Google Sheets as a comma separated values file, or CSV file. If this video helps you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and let's get started. Here is my Google Sheets. Very simple results from a Google form, actually. I just want to export this as a CSV file. Then I can email it to somebody, or I can do whatever I need to do with it. Very simple. Go to File, Download, and then select comma separated values, CSV. So it just set up that file. I can open it up in Excel. I could send it as an email attachment or whatever I need to do. Just make sure you remember where it was saved. So in Windows or a Mac, it should be saved in the Downloads folder. Chromebook may go somewhere else. But that's how you do it. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Also, if you go to in30minutes.com, you can see our book, Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. It's currently in its third edition. It's very popular. It's very useful. And we also have several cheat sheets for Google Sheets, Google Drive, Google Docs. You can see the links in the show notes. Thank you so much for watching.